7th grade SLO post-science test. Number 1. During photosynthesis, green plants use energy from the sun to make their food. What energy transformation is taking place? A. Thermal energy is converted to electrical energy. B. Thermal energy is converted into light energy. C. Chemical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Or D. Light energy is converted into chemical energy. Number 2. The process of photosynthesis releases what type of gas into the atmosphere? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Hydrogen. C. Nitrogen. Or D. Oxygen. Number 3. The plant organelle that is necessary for the process of photosynthesis is A. Leaf. B. Chloroplast. C. Root. Or D. Flower. Number 4. What does a plant do with the sugar that is produced by photosynthesis? A. It combines with carbon dioxide to form water. B. It is stored by the plant until the plant needs energy. C. It is released into the atmosphere. Or D. It develops into seed. Number 5. Which of the following is not required for the process of photosynthesis to begin? A. Sugar. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Sunlight. Or D. Water. Number 6. Humans, plants, and animals all need oxygen to survive. They use oxygen and glucose to produce energy that they can use for life processes. What is this process called? A. The process of photosynthesis. B. The process of cellular respiration. C. The process of perspiration. Or D. The process of evolution. Number 7. The food web shows interactions between organisms in a meadow ecosystem. Which of the following organisms is a primary consumer? A. Hawk. B. Grass. C. Grasshopper. Or D. Snake. Number 8. There are 6 major land biomes on planet Earth. Which is not one of the major types of biomes? A. Mountains. B. Desert. C. Temperate forest. Or D. Taiga. Number 9. Which list correctly orders the biomes according to the relative amounts of perception in each, starting with the least amount of rainfall to the most amount of rainfall? A. Grassland, desert, deciduous, forest, taiga, or tropical rainforest. B. Desert, taiga, grassland, deciduous, forest, or tropical rainforest. C. Tropical rainforest, deciduous forest, grassland, taiga, or desert. Or D. Desert, grassland, tropical rainforest, deciduous forest, or taiga. Number 10. What type of energy from the oceans is responsible for most currents? A. Electrical. B. Mechanical. C. Light. Or D. Thermal. Number 11. What causes high tides on the side of Earth opposite of the moon? A. The pull of the sun on the side of Earth opposite of the moon causes a high tide. B. The tilt of the Earth on its axis causes different seasons, such as spring, which causes tides. C. The moon pulls solid Earth towards itself, which makes the water bulge on opposite side. Or D, the oppositional gravitational force of the moon pulls the water from the side furthest from itself. Number 12. Which of the following explains the relationship between altitude and atmospheric pressure? A. Atmospheric pressure only exists at high elevations. B. Atmospheric pressure only exists at sea level. C. Atmospheric pressure decreases at higher altitudes. Or D. Atmospheric pressure increases at higher altitudes. Number 13. In approximately 1 month, you observe the moon phases in one of the sequences listed below. Select the sequence that is the correct order. A. Waxing gibbous. New. Waning gibbous. Last quarter. B. Waning crescent. Waning gibbous. New. Waxing crescent. First quarter. Waning gibbous. Full. Last quarter. Or D. Waxing crescent. First quarter. Waxing gibbous. Full. Number 14. The diagrams show the Sun, Earth, and Moon in different positions relative to one another. Which diagram shows the correct alignment of the Earth, Sun, and Moon at high tide? Number 15. Which pneumonia occur as a result of gravitational attraction between the Earth's ocean, the Sun, and the Moon? A. Eclipses. B. Ocean tides. C. Seasonal changes. Or D. Phases of the Moon. Number 16. In what phase is the Moon during a solar eclipse? A. New. B. First quarter. C. Full. Or D. Last quarter. Number 17. Which of the following diagrams of the Earth, Sun, and Moon show their alignment during a full moon? Number 18. What kind of eclipse do we see when the moon is entirely within the Earth's umbrella shadow? A. Partial lunar eclipse. B. Total lunar eclipse. C. Total solar eclipse. Or D. Partial solar eclipse. Number 19. When molecules of two objects are touching, heat is transferred by A. Conduction. B. Reaction. C. Convection. Or D. Radiation. Number 20. What type of energy transfer is taking place when you snap your fingers? A. Light energy to chemical energy. B. Mechanical energy to sound energy. C. Electrical energy to chemical energy. Or D. Mechanical energy to electrical energy. Number 21. The flashlight below has no batteries. It is operated by repeatedly squeezing and letting go of the handle. Inside the body of the flashlight are gears, which are shown below. Which sentence or which sequence best describes the energy transfers taking place within the flashlight to produce light? A. Mechanical to electrical to light. B. Mechanical to nuclear to light. C. Chemical to mechanical to light. Or D. Chemical to electrical to light. Number 22. According to the law of conservation of energy, in theory, a bouncy ball should never stop bouncing. However, we know that it eventually stops. Where does the energy go? A. Some of the potential energy is used up by gravity. B. Some of the kinetic energy is converted into sound and thermal energy and transfers into surroundings. C. Some of the kinetic energy is converted into mechanical energy and escapes into the surroundings. Or D. Some of the potential energy is reduced by friction. Number 23. What is chemical energy? A. The potential energy in chemical compounds that is waiting to be released. B. The energy that is formed or caused by movement. C. The movement of electrons throughout the world. Or D. Energy from the sun or other light source. Number 24. Which of the following is the best example of a chemical change? A. Chopping wood. B. Toasting bread. C. Dissolving sugar in water. Or D. Melting an ice cube. Number 25. Which of the following best describes a physical change? A. When molecules combine to form a compound. B. When a new element is created. C. When the size, shape, or state of matter changes. Or D. When elements combine to form a molecule. Number 26. A student tests a sample of soil with litmus paper and finds that its pH level is 5.3. This sample of soil is A. Polluted, B. Acidic, C. Alkaline, or D. Basic. Number 27. A spoon left in a hot cup of coffee gets warm because A. The chemical energy from the coffee is transferred to the spoon. B. The cold energy from the spoon is transferred to the coffee. C. The light energy from the spoon is transferred to the coffee. Or D. The heat energy from the coffee is transferred to the spoon. Number 28. Many things that we eat can be classified as elements, mixtures, or compounds. Fruit Loops can be classified as A. Element, B. Compound, C. Heterogeneous mixture, or D. Homogeneous mixture. Number 29. CO2 is the chemical formula for carbon dioxide. This is an example of A. An element, B. A compound, C. A heterogeneous mixture, or D. A homogeneous mixture. Number 30. Based on its location on the periodic table shown above, which element would you predict has chemical properties that are most similar to phosphorus? A. Chlorine, B. Helium, C. Nitrogen, or D. Zinc. Part 2. Matching terminology. Choose the best word to fit each description. Life science biomes. Number 31. Identify the biome that has the highest average temperatures. Number 32. Identify the biome that receives the least amount of rainfall. Number 33. Identify the biome that has the least biodiversity. Number 34. Identify the biome that is characterized by coniferous trees. Earth science, layers of the atmosphere. Number 35. The layer of the atmosphere that contains most of the ozone layer. Number 36. The layer of the atmosphere where most of the weather occurs. Number 37. The layer of the atmosphere burns up meteors. Number 38. The layer of the atmosphere that averages 2,000 degrees Celsius. A is thermosphere, B is troposphere, C is mesosphere, and D is stratosphere. Parts of science, types of energy. A says mechanical energy, B says nuclear energy, C says chemical energy, and D says thermal energy. Number 39. The type of energy that is stored in food. Number 40. A car rolling down the street is an example of. Number 41. An atomic bomb is an example of. Number 42. Heat energy is another name for short answer / extended responses. Number 43. Short answer. Use the following diagram to answer the question. The energy pyramid shows how energy is transferred in the ecosystem. In your answer document, explain why populations at each trophic level decreases as you move up the pyramid. Number 44. Explain how temperature and salinity affect ocean currents. Number 45. Extended response. Respond in the space provided in your answer document. Matter can change state in 6 different ways. These phase changes are evaporation, condensation, freezing, melting, sublimation, and deposition. Choose 2 of these phase changes and tell what happens to the speed and arrangement of the molecules during each phase change.